Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix login error on Finch Self Care app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Finch, and then once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, here what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Finch app and then tap on it. And on tapping, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on this offload app option, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then simply restart the app by closing the app and then trying again, and that will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.